Deutscherin. Deutscherin. Deutscherin is feminine. So any feminine that you meet, any person who is a feminine, a lady, we call herself a Deutscherin. But you have to remember the small tips that I give in. Like so, sir is a Lehrer, a teacher, and ich bin Lehrerin. So whenever he's a student, do this studentin. Okay, so this in will come with all the feminines. Okay, जो भी lady होगी, जो भी लड़की होगी, उसके साथ in बोलेंगे. Boys will say Lehrer, student, जो भी है the normal. So this is the Hauptstadt von India. Hauptstadt von India is Neu Delhi. Hauptstadt von India is Neu Delhi. Hauptstadt from Berlin is, Hauptstadt from Deutschland is Berlin. Capital. If you have not understood Hauptstadt, it is capital. Okay. Then we have the Währung. Währung from India is rupees. Currency. Währung. Währung is rupees. Euro. Euro. And the continent is Europa. Continent is Europa, nicht Europe. Nicht Europe. This is also known as Euro. This is known as Europa. Okay, it is known as. Then flows from India. Flows from India is Ganga, Jamna, Saraswati, Brahmaputra. So flows from Deutschland. We have many. I will just mention the basic. We have the Rhine and the Elbe. Rhine and the Elbe is in the flu. Autos. Autos from Deutschland. Autos अपनी ये auto 3-wheeler वाली नहीं है. अपने वहाँ पे cars को auto बोलते हैं. Auto. BMW. Yeah, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, and Audi. Mercedes-Benz and Audi. Audi here. Audi. We say Audi, but it is Audi because you there. Okay. Balloon personality for India. Shah Rukh Khan, Mahatma Gandhi, Narendra Modi, Ambani's, Adani's, all. Balloon personality, famous personality. Balloon personality. We have Hitler. Everyone knows Hitler. We have Mozart, he was from the music. We have Beethoven, we have so many people. So, Balloon personality. Basically, what you have to know is what is Balloon, what is Auto, what is Flus, what is Währung. So, Währung from Japan will be? Yen. Währung is currency. Okay? So, this is basically about Deutschland. Yeah, sports. Sports from India is hockey. It is football. Football. Okay? This.